Hey everyone, I'm Jason Chapman and welcome to MarineMax and Rogers. Today I'm very excited to show you a brand new 2024 Saxdor 270 GTO. Absolutely beautiful boat here. It's a really modern, sleek design. These boats are made out of Poland. Up here in the bow, we do have our windlass. We also have our bow thruster up here too. So this boat's totally loaded up. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. Right, so welcome inside. Starting on the stern of the boat here, right off the bat, you can see this has the twin 200 Mercury outboards. So you're gonna have plenty of power when you're on the water. We do have our ski tow point, so it's gonna be great for all your water sports. And then looking at port and starboard, we have two nice entryways inside the boat. If you look at the flooring here, we do have the glue down sea deck, so it's gonna be really comfortable on your feet when it gets wet, maybe on some of those hot days here in Minnesota. And then as we make our way to the seating area, you have our seats facing forward. This does also fold all the way down, and then our table does too, with a complete filler cushion right here to make it into a sun pad. And then if you go to the helm, you can adjust these seats backwards too, so that if you're sitting back, hanging out, relaxing, watching the fireworks, it's going to be a great spot for your friends and family. Taking a look at our hardtop right here, you can see this is really big open sunroof, so you have tent on here, but you have nice visibility when you're out in the water. And then as we sit here at the helm, really comfortable seat up here. We have our digital throttle and shift, tilt steering wheel. This does have your SIMRAD with your engine diagnostics, chart plotting, navigation. Everything's going to be very accessible here at the helm. As I mentioned on the exterior, this also has the bow thruster as well. Spot right here to adjust your trim tabs. So maybe if you're riding with those passengers on one side, you can even the boat out, so you're going to be driving it and right on plane. Like to call this a nice little cuddy cabin setup here. As we make our way down, it's a great spot to get out of the elements. And then we also have our pump out head located down here as well. And then come on, let's go take a look up at the bow. Nice port entryway here. And then again, another sun pad up here to fit 2 or 3 people very comfortably. We have our windlass anchor up here. This is a great setup, guys. This is a 2024 Saxdor 270 GTO. It's located here at our store in Rogers. Come on by and take a look. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.